Hey, I told y'all it's gonna be a little different video today. We at the Cava right now, but I got my first official YouTube check for real. Thanks for everybody watching the videos. You feel me? Subscribing, liking it, commenting on my videos, supporting me through my little Wheelie journeys for real, and riding the bikes. Like I said, I didn't even mean to be like creating content like that right now, but I guess that's just where it took me for real. So I don't know, I just appreciate everybody tuning in, watching the videos. After I eat this, I'm with BB. We going down to Glenburnie Motorsports. Maybe Pete Cycles, you feel me? Like, get some gloves. I gotta get some new gloves. Show you my gloves, it's all messed up. They got like hella oil on them from changing the sprockets and stuff with them on. Like 4 holes in them now, and but no, I appreciate everybody tuning in and watching the videos, man. About to go spend that YouTube money right now, you know what I mean? Stunting. Hop on the bike, I'm stunting. Push button start, I'm stunting. Tire in the air, I'm stunting. I don't really care, I'm stunting. Stunting. Hop on the bike, I'm stunting. Push button start, I'm stunting. I'm still getting used to the 13-inch rock. That's what I'm out here doing. I'm stunting. I'm stunting. I don't really care, I'm stunting.